Well, what a beautiful day. It just doesn't get much better than this. Hey guys, it's Carl, and today I am fly fishing for brown trout on the Grand River. This river has an amazing stocking program. They put a lot of browns in this river, and with the special regulations, single barbless, fly fishing only, it's a great fishery and a great place to learn how to fly fish. And I'm an average fly fisherman at best, but I've even caught some great big fish out of this river. But today I mostly expect to catch stalkers. I would love to get into some big fish, and if I see some, I'm certainly going to try for it. But there is so many stalkers in here, and they're starting to hit the flies on top, and that's really what I'm looking for. I fly fish mostly in June, and that's when there's lots of topwater action, lots of bug hatches going on, and the fish seem to be a little less wary, let's say, and easier to catch this time of year. So I'm going to hit the river and see if I can't get into some of these brown trout. I am seeing a couple bugs getting hit off the top, and they do have dark bodies. Not quite as big as these ones, so I think I'm going to try something like this here. I'll give that a go, see if I can't get bit on that one. So I can see a fish actively rising out there, so I haven't even cast. This will be my first cast at him. Hopefully he's not that smart. Right about there. Got it. Oh. He tried. I'm gonna give him a minute. We'll try that again. It's not a big one, but it's a fish. That's way upstream. Oh, that's too far off. Oh, that wind's getting bad. Fish on. Yes. Oh, it's not a big one by any means, is it? Oh my. Well, it's a fish, and that's a start. First brown of the season. Pretty little fish. We'll get him back here. So fun to catch them on dries like that. Yes. Well, nice little fish to get started. Hopefully we'll get into something bigger than that, but yeah, it's a start anyways. But one thing with this kind of fishing is when I get down to the river, I don't just run out into the water and start casting. I actually sit on the shore and I just watch for a while. I want to see what the bugs are doing, what kind of bugs are hatching, if there's fish actually active and rising. And for example, here when I got down to the river, I could see the birds swooping down, grabbing these bigger flies off the top. There was some little caddis skittering around, but there's a bigger mayfly hatching, and that's what everything seems to be keyed on. So I watched the water for a while, got a good look at that fly, matched it up pretty good with what was in my fly box, and then I started casting once I saw some active fish. And once you have active fish going like that, you just kind of wait out, get in position, try not to spook them, and then a couple well-placed casts. And if your presentation is good and that fish is active enough, you should be able to catch them pretty quick. Was not ready for that one. go. You're scrappy for little fish. There we go. There we go. Another little stalker. Barbless hook pops right out. What a beauty. Nice little stalker brown there. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to be happy with 2 little fish. I kind of thought something was gonna happen here this afternoon. I thought the bugs would really get hatching and get these fish going, but it actually just died right off. There's not a lot of bug activity. I don't see any fish rising right now, but it did feel really good to get out of here on the river, get a couple fish on dry flies on top like that. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I hope you'll subscribe, and I hope I'll see you outside. Come on, get out of here.